In this video, we'll show you how you can add shortcuts to specific website on your Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen. So if you are using Google Chrome for instance, first what you need to do is go to the website for which you want to create the shortcut. Now here tap the three dot icon at the bottom or at the top to open this browser menu. Now here you need to scroll down and then select this add to home screen option. Now it will ask you what name you want to give to the shortcut, so I'll just leave it to YouTube and then tap on add. Now select add again to confirm. Now go to your home screen and you will see the shortcut for the website. You can move it anywhere you like. Now if I tap on it, it will immediately load YouTube in Chrome. Now if you are using Samsung internet, the process is similar. Simply go to the website for which you want to create the shortcut. Once you are on this page, tap the three dot icon at the bottom. Now here you will need to select this add page to option and then select home screen. Now tap on add and then select add again. Now if I close the Samsung internet browser, I'll see the shortcut for the YouTube website. Now I can tap on it and it will immediately load YouTube on the Samsung internet. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.